Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Merlissa if you're new here. Today we are unboxing a very exciting PR package that I've received. This one is definitely unbox worthy. It's very heavy and I was very ecstatic when I received this. It's totally gifted and I'm so grateful for it. And it is from the brand FRAMAR. Before we dive in, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave a comment saying hello so I can say hello back. Now, without further ado, we're just gonna dive right in. Alright, I moved my camera down a little bit so you guys can see what is going on here. So we have a lot to unbox today. So many goodies already, you guys. Little thank you card here. I am a hairstylist, but I haven't worked in a salon in quite a few years now because I am a full-time content creator and part-time mermaid performer. So I'm really gonna dive in here. I'm so excited because I do miss doing hair. Like, I do family and friends hair and I do my hair, of course. When I jump back into a salon, this is gonna be really fun to play with. But for now, doing friends, family, and my own hair is going to be so much fun with all of these new goodies in here. First we have these bleach blenders, smoother bleach blends with every foil pull. So I'm gonna open these up. I have not seen these at all. Oh my goodness, they're like little gloves, you guys. They're supposed to help glide through the bleach without causing like friction. These are so interesting. You can see on the little box how they're doing it. But it does come with a pink one and a black one. These are so interesting. I can't wait to try these. I've never seen them used and I've never tried them myself. So let me know what you guys think if you're colorists yourself. This is so interesting to me. Moving on to our next product. We have, I love this, you guys. I'm definitely putting these to use. These are backwards bibs. They work alongside with your cape. This is gonna help with not such a big mess on your cape. Gonna kind of like contain the color. These are really nice. Definitely gonna use these when I'm coloring my hair and my family and friends. I'm so excited about these. Next up we have a little fun one. We have some FRAMAR King Claws, you guys. I love big hair clips and this comes in a 4-pack. So here's 2 neutrals and then we have a black one and a brown one for whatever vibe you're going for. This is gonna be so good for summer. I'm gonna see, so I have really thick hair and I can't use just any clip. Like, I have to use a big chunky clip. And this holds. Like, I mean, it looks a little silly right now, but this is gonna be so perfect. Jumbo King Claw clips, your girl is in love with. Very tempting to just wear this through the whole video, but I will move along here. All right, next we have here are some color killer wipes. So I'm definitely gonna put these to use. These are hair color remover wipes. I always stain myself here in my forehead. It's just what happens. So definitely gonna put these to use. And this comes with 100 wipes. So that's a really good amount, I would say. Next we have, this is Color Cover, a coloring cape. I think it's just one coloring cape, but definitely gonna use this with my little bibs. And next up we have, what is this? Oh, this is their Champagne Mommy FRAMAR brush. It's definitely one of those brushes that just glides through your hair. Okay, I definitely had to grab something there because my nails were not doing it. So this is the brush. It is so classic looking. I love it. The color is so pretty and it's gonna glide so nice through the hair. Love this. I love a nice brush. I'm gonna try not to speed through everything, but also I don't want to run out of light or camera battery, but there is a lot to go through in here. So I'm gonna try and get through this box here. So next they sent this family pack. It's 1 triple thread color brush, 1 classic color brush, and one big daddy color brush. So I'm gonna pull these out so you guys can see the difference. Have your classic coloring brush. And then you have this color brush, which is a little thicker. and it feels stronger. And then you have this brush, which would be really great for foiling. Definitely gonna put these to use. Next we have, these are so cute. These are some gator clips. It's a pack of 4. And I actually use these clips a lot with my hair and when I'm cutting hair. These are my favorite clips to use when I'm cutting hair. I just think these are so darling. They're so cute. Next we have this baby claw. So this will work for like a half up, half down for me. So cute. I love them. They're so cute. I need like aqua blue ones. I don't know if FRAMAR makes aqua blue colored ones, but they would be really pretty if they came with like a turquoise line. But these are so darling. They're so cute. I don't know if they're gonna work in my hair. Some might, some won't, but so cute overall. Perfect summer clip for a half up, half down look. What do you guys think? Next up we have I Need to Vent. This is another brush and it has the open vents in it. This is a perfect brush for blow drying and it'll help kind of speed up that blow dry time. And here it is, so you guys can have a little closer look. My hair is so thick that it takes forever to dry, so this will definitely come in handy for me. Alright guys, we're getting somewhere. Next we have these super sectioners. These are also another hair clip. These are really nice because they don't cause like a line in the hair. They have a metal bottom and the top is plastic, but really simplistic, really nice. And they also have like a rubber band in there, so it should kind of help the hair stay in place because hair can become unruly, as we all know. Next we have the triple threat set. These are ultimate precision color brushes. This comes in 3 different brushes. I'm going to open it up and show you guys more details. Wow, FRAMAR really hooked me up. This is the most exciting package I've received, maybe of all time, but definitely in a very long time. Comes in these 3 colors. These will definitely come in handy, especially when you're doing like multiple vivids or multiple just colors in general. It's good to be precise. Next we have more clips. These are big bite clips. So this is a 4-pack. I think everything kind of comes in like a 4-pack. Here they are. They're supposed to be anti-rust, which is so perfect because I have definitely had clips start to get rusty and had to throw them in the garbage. But these I'm really excited to give a try. And these are more of like, they're really intense. So they're gonna keep the hair exactly where it needs to be. It's gonna keep a tight grip. So if you have loose, unruly hair, these are the clips for you. Next we have something wrapped up. Let's see what this is. Dye Defender. This is the barrier cream. Usually everybody knows what a barrier cream is, but this is just going to be really great for removing color on the skin. And you'll apply it to the hairline and around the ears before coloring, so then it doesn't stain the skin already. And it comes off pretty easily, so I'm excited to try theirs. I personally like using a barrier cream, but not all clients want it, so it really just depends on your client. Next we have these Power Painter brushes. These are so cool. I have never used one of these before, but I'm really excited to give these a try. These are literally like a little paintbrush. These are going to be really great to color like thick hair, like if you need a bunch of color, soaked it in there, you know. Oh my gosh. These are my favorite so far. These are really cool. Alright guys, we're starting to get to the bottom here. If you've stuck around this far, leave a little scissor emoji in the comments. Next we have this Dream Weaver. So these are, let's see here. These are little combs. These are highlighting combs. They're all different sizes as far as the bristles go. And then of course they have the ends here, the metal ends. And these feel really good quality. I've never felt nice, like it doesn't even feel like it would break or snap or bend. So these I'm really excited to use for highlights. Next, you guys, we have Connect and Color Bowls. If you are familiar with FRAMAR, you've definitely seen these color bowls before. I am so excited, and you guys, they're the really cute pastel colors. I'm so in love. It's so iridescent and pretty, Now, what I love about these most, if you aren't familiar, I've never actually had them on my own, but I've seen people have them. So they kind of connect just like that. Makes it really easy and kind of organized with your color. And these are just so cool. These are the coolest. Just gonna connect them all so you guys can see the color. But it's really easy to do, easy to connect. They sent these colors and then they sent a couple just clear basic ones, but how cute are these, you guys? I love them, I love them. Now getting down to the final part, you guys, we have FRAMAR's iconic foil. These are their foil pop-ups. This is back in black, so these are the black foil sheets. They also sent over their ethereal foil sheets. They sent over their all y'all foil sheets. And then they sent their vacation one, which I'm so excited for. They're such summer vibes. I'm so grateful. I have one last item to show you guys. And this is the Baecation Collection. So along with the foils that they sent over, they also sent over the vacation kit, you guys. It's like their new fun summer collection, I believe, and I've been having my eye on it because just look at how adorable the colors are. So fun. I'm just obsessed. These are the colorables, so they have the orange, pink, and the teal. And then they gave me the 50 sheets foil in here, 2 alligator clips, their 3 color brushes to match the bowls. And that concludes this FRAMAR unboxing. Thank you so much, FRAMAR, if you're watching. I'm so incredibly grateful. And thank you all for joining me watching this video. Let me know what your favorite thing is below. Let me know if you have any hair tips and tricks to use with the FRAMAR collection that I got, or just leave a comment saying hello. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!